Hey everybody, this video is going to be a little bit of a cluster, miscellaneous this and that. Sorry about that. I just got some footage, I got it all mixed up, so I'll put it out there. It's all stuff I'm getting done, it's all relevant. Shouldn't be too bad. I apologize ahead of time. It's winter. We're past Christmas. We just had some snow. We got a storm coming in tomorrow. I think that by Thursday we're supposed to be down to, I think, -5 or something like that. So it's going to get chilly. The road's all messed up. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the GMC out. I really don't want to take it out and try to test it out in my little driveway here. I might. We'll see. But in between snowstorms, we'll see what happens. Hey everybody, Bill here, Restored Hot Rods. So today, I'm working on these lights. They've been here forever. They're painted the same color as the fender. I don't want to change them. So, but they've lost continuity. I don't have continuity. They don't ground from here to the fender anymore. The fittings are too corroded, and they just don't make connection anymore. So what I'm going to do is this one. Took this one and I cut the socket off of it. Like that. So this one here, I cut the socket off, ground it down flush, and I have these other sockets that I'm going to run down in here. Trying to do this with one hand. Come on, fingers. There we go. I'm going to take these new sockets and put them there. Screw them in, then run a separate ground from the screw down through the wire and out. So basically adding a ground wire to it all the way back to the inner fender. So I got the new socket in here. So I'm going to run a screw in there. The holder in place, I think. I may have to pre-drill it. We'll see here. There we go, that'll do it. I think I can get one on the other side. I do believe. Going to argue with me here. There we go. That's going to do it. Wire runs around the back. Ground wire comes out. Now I'm going to put a eye on this ground wire so it can ground right to that screw I just put in. and we'd be good. Yep, that's the puppy right there. And no, I'm not going to put. No, I'm not going to put shrink wrap on this wire because I'm going to smear it with dielectric grease instead. All right, now our middle screw. Put it all back together here. Yeah. That's how I'm going to do that. This wire, the black wire, is a ground, and that'll run all the way back to the chassis, and the other wire is power. That goes to the bulb, just like that. That's one. Now do the other one. And just like anything, you want to test it first. Make sure we're good. Should come on now. Bam. Cool, that's working. So I'm trying to put the mirrors on the 53 and trying to get this bolt in, which is way down inside the door. Which is about here, and I can't get my hand in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try fishing it down there with a magnet, with a nut on the magnet. Try to hold it down the door and see if I can spin it and get it in there. See what happens. Now this is one of those instances where you got to hold your tongue just right. Let's see. Geez. Let's see. How far back? It's about that far back. So I need that. Of course, the magnet wants to grab everything else. Not that. Don't do that. This is where you can't see what you're doing and do it at the same time. Ooh, I think I got it. Maybe. Maybe. My arms don't twist that way. Oh, I lost it. See if I can hold it and get the nut started. I think I got it. I did get it. Ha ha ha. I don't know how I'm going to get it tight. Oh man. And you see where that puppy is back in there? See it turning? Wonder if I can put an impact on it and spin it from the outside. See if I get lucky here. Not working. Got to get in there and hold it somehow. See if I can get in there and hold it. So I can put the impact on it and spin it. Maybe. I think this will work. Maybe. Ooh, that didn't sound good. What's up? Got it. Ha ha. There, if you look in there, you can. Now it's tight. There's always a way. Might be stupid, but there's a way. Oh yeah, that's tight. All right. When I bought these axles, we pulled the cover to check the gear ratio, make sure they're both the same. They're both 411. But I don't remember if we dumped the fluid out. I can't remember. Too many moons ago. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the cover and see if we got oil in there. If nothing else, goop the gasket. Goop the gasket. Do I have the right size socket? It's better if I loosen it, huh? Garbage out of there. I'll save the oil if there's any in it. I don't know. We'll find out. Come on. Yeah. All right, I got a couple stubborn ones. I'll be back. I'm back. Look at me. Look at that. Looky there. Looky there. All right. Wow, really? Somebody got crazy. This is awkward. Got my hammer stuck underneath everything. My head in the way like usual. Wow. That's craziness. Well, I got no oil coming out of it. Well, there's a little bit. Ew. Ew. Super thick and ugly. All right, I'll let that drain for a few minutes. All right, been a couple minutes. It's pretty much drained. Whatever hasn't drained is still in there. Oh, let's see what we got. There we go. Oh, it had been, no, there's no gasket on there. It had just been gooped up. That's all some big stuff. I'm not going to mess with it. Well, I do have to make a run tomorrow, so I guess I'll order a gasket. What's this in here? Is that just crud? It doesn't look good. Ew. That's just sludge. These corporate 14 axles are pretty tough. There's no metal anyway. Cool. So, all right, order a gasket. So I got my rear end gasket cover. Got some 90 weight. So I'll crawl underneath there and put the cover on. Fill up the third member. Drop back on the ground. On to the next thing. Also today, I got my headliner. Ordered a headliner. They're cardboard and they came in that box. I don't know how that's going to turn out. Maybe I should open it up and take a look. Now it's a rigid cardboard. They say they can roll it. It'll be okay in shipping. Or they can ship it flat for $50 some odd for shipping, which sounds crazy. Well, another catalog. There it is. Well, it's a pretty stout cardboard. I think it'll probably be fine. Let's see. Shall we? Why not? Yeah, I thought I'll roll it out and let it relax for a while. Yeah. Here, I'll put you right there for now. Well, I'm going to end this video here. I want to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate all the comments. Until next time, take care.